Bu örneğimizde de şöyle bir senaryo yazdım. Kardeşlikten, aileden biraz uzaklaşıp akrabalara geldim. Şimdi ben senin uzaktan bir akrabanım ve biz aynı şehirde yaşamıyoruz ve ben telefonla seni arıyorum. Tabii bunların hepsini İngilizce yapıyoruz.
Hello? Who is this? Who? I can't hear you. Can you speak louder? I really can't hear you. I'm so sorry. Who is it? Oh, how are you? How's it going? Good. Yeah, I'm doing all right. You know, I've been busy and oh my God, my kids are crazy. They're just driving me crazy, really. But look, so I was looking for your mom. Is she home? Can you tell her that I want to talk to her, please? I have this recipe that I tried, but your mom knows the secret ingredient, I think. The thing is, I made that recipe, but the food came out really bad. So I really need your mom's help with this. Yeah, is she home? Oh, she's not. Do you know where her recipe book is? No. Okay then. Do you know when she's gonna be home? When is your mom gonna be home? Sorry, I couldn't hear that. What? What'd you say? You know, I'm a little old at this time, so I'm having trouble with hearing. What did you say? Okay, I understand. Alright then. I'll call her tonight. Is that okay? Yeah, okay. Alright then. It was nice talking to you. Bye. Take care. Oh, before I let you go, can you please tell her that I called her? Okay, so she knows. Okay. Yeah, you just tell her I called her and maybe she can give me a call. Alright. Okay, thank you. Alright, bye.
Şimdi next one. Bir sonraki.